No estoy muy segura qué voy a hacer because it's my first time, pero compré esto. 100% pure pumpkin, siendo como un comercial. Vamos a hacer un cafecito, 2 tablespoons. Hopefully sabe rico porque nunca lo he hecho. Pumpkin spice. Vamos a hacer como un pumpkin spice latte, a ver cómo nos sabe. Vamos a meterlo aquí a la Brevo to do some espresso shots. Esta es su cocina, or you know, while that brews, let's open this. How are you supposed to open this? Did you twist it? Serious? Oh, wow. Okay, it was just a twist. That was hard. Sabe como la calabaza ya que le ponen allá. Allá en el Starbucks. Ya salió, se mira así como fócate. Hey, what's this? Oh, es que saqué los botes de la basura and I also went hiking, you know what I'm saying? Se mira bien thick. Mira bien thick, so we'll see what happens. Como es un latte, le vamos a meter la leche. Oh, I can see myself. Look it. I'm right there. Shake it, body, shake it, boom, 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 boom. Okay, use fat milk because, you know, I'm doing lattes with whole milk all the time. That thing is thick. Hey, I don't like mixing my lattes, pero for today, I think I have to. Okay, está bien thick. Probably it's all gonna come together. I plan on doing a cold foam. Let's try it like this. Me sabe a pumpkin, believe it or not. I'm gonna wait for the cold foam because I feel como que that's gonna add the flavor. Cheers. Bing. Oh my god. What the hell? I didn't want to change. Should have put the lid on. Believe it or not, I get stained with coffee 70% of the time. Now that the danger is over, let's try it. Perfection. Delicioso.